In this episode, I will give you an overview on how KeyUser Pro welds the best of ServiceNow and SAP Cloud ALM together. Customers need to regularly upgrade their SAP products like S/4HANA. Projects need to be handed over to user support, whereas subsequent continuous improvement will be the fuel to accelerate digitization. SAP Solution Manager needs to be replaced in the short term. Here, a combination of ServiceNow and SAP Cloud ALM with KeyUser Pro as the glue forms an even more powerful successor. Pro support leverages the skills and capabilities of key users within the organization. Pro requirement bridges the gap between incident management and requirements, and Pro project improves SAP RISE initiatives and supports the SAP Activate methodology through automation, digitization, and platform integration. KeyUser Pro enriches SAP's strategic platform by weaving user support and service management into the SAP Cloud ALM paradigm. Application Lifecycle Management linked together with support, project automation with a guaranteed smooth handover to support, and a way to continuously replace SAP Solution Manager over time by a powerful combination of both architectures. KeyUser Pro bridges the gap between ServiceNow and SAP Cloud ALM. Appetite for more? Watch our related videos or simply contact us for more information.